Hello children, today I am going to teach a poem from class 7th and the poem name is Home They Brought Her Warrior Dead. So this was the poem was written by Alfred Lord Tennyson. So what is happening in the poem? We will discuss thoroughly here. There was a battle between two countries and there was a warrior who was killed by the opponent country, and now his dead body was brought to his home. At that time the warrior's wife was doing some work. When she saw her husband's dead body in her house, she was shocked and she almost fell into unconscious. So immediately all people, the neighbors came there and they began to wake her up because they wanted to talk to her, but even though she was completely in unconscious, she was not talking, and in the same time even she was not moving also. But some of the people, what they said, she should cry, otherwise she will die. The neighbors talked to themselves, that's why they wanted to disturb her. But even though there was no changes in her behavior, she was completely in unconscious only. Okay, in the same time they would like to use some great words about her husband. In the same time, in this way maybe she will come into conscious, but even though she was not coming to conscious, so what they said, really your husband is a great warrior. He was a worthy friend. He was loved more, not only you but also the people around his family. He was always maintaining good relationship even with his neighbors also. So really he was a good friend to us. But even though there was no changes, and someone said really he was a great person, he was a brave person, he was a great enemy also. But even though she was not talking, in the same time even she was not moving. Then in the next stanza, one of the maiden came. Maiden means here there was a lady. So a lady came and she came to the dead body of her husband and she removed the cloth which was spread over on the dead body, because if she saw the dead man's face, maybe we can expect some cry, maybe we can expect some motion in her body. But even though there was no movement in her body, so all people, they did their best, but even though there was no response from her side. So what do we do? Because the reason is, if she was doing continuously like that, if she was in unconscious, automatically she will die. They talk to themselves. But this time the situation completely observed by a nurse who was 90 years old. So what she did? Immediately she took the warrior's child and she put the child on her knee. Whose knee here? The warrior's wife knee. So automatically when the lady saw her baby on her knee, just like storm in ocean, the tears come outside. And what the lady said? My dear child, your father was died, but I would like to live for you, the lady said to her child. In this way again she came back to conscious. So here the nurse successfully did a great job to disturb the lady. With this, the poem was successfully completed.